Good morning, everybody. In the cryptoverse, today's October 15th, and the time is 9:40 a.m. Well, I'm sorry, correct that. October 16th. All right. Today, I'm doing a little info on DeFi, and I wanted to stick my feet in DeFi. Uniswap, if you want to do some DeFi, a small, say, test subject or a small little experiment, they're going to charge you $11 a swap. Johnny doesn't like $11 a swap. So we went and found something cheaper called a VExchange. Now, VExchange is very easy. Uh, this is the tokens they offer on VExchange. In my opinion, you can just get VThor, collect that. That you can do in your own wallet. Um, Hacking is a good choice. Player is a good choice, and 8 hours is a good choice. You can see the 24-hour volume, the number of VET that's been invested. When you go to the exchange and you hit View Exchange, if you do not have the Comet wallet in your browser, you will not go any further than this. You will not see this. You have to download and add the Comet wallet extension into your browser to get access to swapping. If you set up your Comet wallet, you'll log in. You will see this page. Swap. This is a VeChain based DeFi platform. The first thing you want to do is you're going to have to fuel it with VET and VThor as the gas. VeChain is your vehicle, VThor is your gas. To get anywhere in your vehicle, you have to supply it with gas. Very simple concept. First thing you want to do is you're going to buy some VThor with your VET that you deposit here. Also note, if you're looking to invest in one of these coins, one of these DeFi tokens, pardon me, it's going to take you, liquidity has got to be double of what you buy. In other words, you're going to buy your token. Say you want to buy 1,008 hour. You're going to need around 6,000 VET to close the deal and to keep the platform liquid. So you send in your 6,000. You use the balance of that 6,000, which is an overstatement of what you actually need. And then you buy VThor first, because you're going to need VThor to do every transaction. You're going to have to pay a fee. The fees are very cheap compared to Uniswap. After you've done that, where you sent in your VeChain, you convert some of it into VThor to pay the fees of the platform. You buy your token. You swap it. It asks you for a confirmation. You hit yes. You got the token. Now you got to go over, after that's done, you go to the second step. You're going to select your token, and theoretically we'll just pretend that it's there. Now you bought your 1,008 hour token. You need to add the liquidity on the other side. Both tokens have to be the same amount of cash, USD. That's how it works, a USD equivalent value. And then, of course, after you have that in there, you add liquidity. It'll take a fee from your VThor that you already put in the pool. Now you're done with all of that. Now, how do I know if I'm making money? When you first do it, you see these little numbers down here, right? You're gonna, if you really want to check them, do not remove your liquidity. Just hit this button, select the token that you picked, and you're gonna see the liquidity you provided. Your tokens are here, and your V are there. Now I did this 1 o'clock in the morning. I was like, well, how do I know if I'm making profit if you don't see anything? Um, well, how I was able to see it is I remember how much tokens I had. Note these numbers when you first do it. I was 0.17% of the pool. Now I'm 0.1765. I originally had put in 5,027 V tokens. Now I have 5,124. I originally put in 1,764 8-hour tokens. Now you'll notice that that number went down. And the reason why it is because you get equivalent dollar value of everything. So the value of 8-hour token has went up. So you're going to have less of those tokens equivalent value. But I got around 100 VET token in since about 1 a.m. this morning. So we are making money, and it's coming in the form of, again, this is a VeChain fueled DeFi platform. The gas is VeThor. The initial investment is in VeChain, and now I have made about 100 VeChains this morning. This is very simple to use. A lot of people get confused. Well, if I bought the tokens, why can't I deposit them in the pool? Because the pool, in order to be functional, has to make sure that you have proper liquidity. And then when you remove your liquidity, you get the tokens plus the additional VeChain liquidity back anyway, plus the interest. The interest is paid in VeChain. And it's very easy to use. I'm very happy. If I can do this, anybody could do this. So far I made about $1 since this morning. But I'm pretty sure there's people out there that have more amounts than I do. And you can go check the liquidity. It's going to tell you. I'll keep it there a while in an 8-hour, and I'm thinking we're going to remove the liquidity, swap it back to all VeChain, and then I'm going to put it in Hacking. Hacking has a few apps on Google, and Player looks like a good investment too. Player is a gaming token which is now connected to Steam. Very good. Steam is a top-notch platform. That's right, 55, and I play games. I like it. It keeps your mind busy, keeps your reflexes sharp. So, again, this is cheap. I was going to try Uniswap, but then I seen a fee. It's an experiment. I'm only going to put in the $100 and see how it works, just to get experience of using it. For $100, you're going to charge me $11 in fees. For $100 over here, I paid the equivalent about 8 cents. This makes more sense for the lower tier investor. It's a good platform. It works. You could see how you're getting paid, though it's not fancy. You just got to remember your numbers. Jot your numbers down when you first put it in. Come to here, hit remove liquidity. Don't remove it. And then you can see I started off with 5,024. Actually 5,027 VET. The value of the 8-hour token's gone up, so they reduced the number of those tokens you hold. But then the whole thing is getting paid in VET, which is the whole premise of this DeFi platform. And lo and behold, I made around 100 VET so far in an 8-hour period. And that's it, people. Enjoy it. Use the platform. It works. It's good. It's cheap. And it works. And you guys out there, maybe you got places where you can't buy VET. Get yourself a VPN. Alright, I'm out. Have a good day, guys. I hope this helps you out.